Hi everyone. So let's start with the another question. So this is question from CSIR NET GRF December 2018 and question number is 32. Booklet code is A and this is question from linear algebra. So your question is from bilinear transformation basically. So given that B is a function from R cross R to R be a function such that B of AB equal to A into B. And we have to identify first option B is a linear transformation or not, second B is positive definite bilinear form or not, third option we have to identify B is a symmetric but not positive definite bilinear form, and fourth one is B is neither linear transformation nor bilinear form. So we have to identify all these things. So by definition of linear transformation, if we will take simply x equal to 1 0 which is member of R cross R and y equal to 0 1 which is again member of R cross R, and you will find the image of x plus y which is B of 1 1 which is 1. So this is 1. Similarly B of x is 0 and B of y is 0. So this implies or B of x plus y is not equal to B of x plus B of y. Hence this mapping is not a linear transformation. So your first option definitely false. Now for bilinear form, we have to identify whether it is linear in first component and linear in second component or not. Since B of AB is the same as B of BA, that is this function is a symmetric function. If it is a linear in first component, definitely it is also linear in second component. So we have to identify just in linearity in first component. So if B of alpha A plus beta B or C, where alpha beta are real number, ABC are also real number, we are verifying the whether it is linear in first component or not. So image of this element is alpha time A plus beta time B whole into C. Since all these elements are in R plus dot and dot is a distributive over addition or multiplication is a distributive over addition. So this implies alpha into A into C plus beta into B into C, and then A into C is simply B of AC. So alpha time B of A and C plus beta time B of B and C. That is, this function is bilinear in first component, and since it is a symmetric, so implies it is also linear in second component. Hence this function is bilinear form and symmetric form. Now we have to identify whether it is positive definite or not. So the quadratic form corresponding to this bilinear form is B of A which is A square, and this quantity is always positive for all A not equal to 0. Hence every non-zero element has a positive image. So the quadratic form of this bilinear form is positive definite. Hence this bilinear form is also positive definite. So your first option B is a linear transformation, false. Second, B is a positive definite bilinear form, correct option. And third, B is a symmetric but not positive definite, false option. And B is a neither linear transformation or nor bilinear form, false option. So your answer should be second option.